A lot of people have tried different ways to make money online, but it doesn't seem to work for them, and then they end up asking themselves, is this make money online thing real? Aren't people just lying about it and making it seem like everybody can make money online as a freelancer? Right, in this video I'm going to show you the secrets of making money online as a freelancer. I have done it, a lot of people have done it, and one of my philosophies of life is if someone can do it, then I too can do it. Hello, my name is Teresa. If this is your first time of seeing me on YouTube, do not hesitate, hit on the subscription button below, turn on your notification icon so that you get notified each time I publish a video, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. That's especially where I hang out, making all those funny reels and sharing valuable tips and information. And on this channel I share valuable tips and information about making money online, especially as freelancers, and a lot of other online businesses that you can venture into today and change your finances between the space of 1 year. In this video today, we're talking about the secrets of making money online as a freelancer. If this is your first time of hearing anything about freelancing or making money online, then I made a video about a complete tutorial of freelancing for beginners, and I'm going to link that video right up here, and you go ahead and watch it because it shows you exactly the steps you will need to follow in order to become a freelancer online. In this video we're talking about the secrets. So what are the secrets of making money online? Because a lot of people are thinking, a lot of you have watched all the YouTube videos out there, a lot of you have read all the books out there, a lot of people have paid for courses, but at the end of the day they've not had any success, and they keep asking themselves, like, is there any secrets to this making money online as a freelancer? Is this something that these people are not telling me? I am really interested in people learning skills that will help them in the long term. In this video we're going to talk about learning skills as well, so let's head straight into it. The most important thing I want you to do, which is a secret to making money online, is changing your mindset. I cannot say this enough, but if you have this pessimistic mindset about making money online, anytime you see any video of make money online, you're like, that's a scam. Now what it does to you is that it closes your mind to any opportunity, any genuine opportunity for you to change your finances online. Now, I'm not going to lie to you or exaggerate. A lot of people are making a lot of money online because they've decided to change their mindset. I have a friend of mine that started blogging recently, and this guy has been, cashing out as a blogger. But what changed his mind? Because he was one of those people that thinks like anything making money online is a scam. I don't blame him either, because there has been a lot of discrepancies about the whole make money online niche. But in as much as that is true, you also need to learn how to open your mind to opportunities, change your mind. What I'm saying in this aspect of this video is that if you're going to make money online as a freelancer, you need to change your mindset. Anything make money online is not scam. Instead of seeing it as a scam, why don't you see the possibility of actually making money online with this skill or with this opportunity that this person is talking about? Why don't you go further and research more about and look at all the diverse views of people talking about these same opportunities? That is the first secret you need to know about making money online. If your mind is closed, then obviously you may not go far. The next secret to making money online as a freelancer is to map out your goals. Like I said it earlier, long term. I like things that like in the long term. If you're going to start something, make sure that you're looking at it from the angle of like 5 years later, 5 years down the line, what am I going to achieve in 5 years? If you're going to look at it like in 3 months, like you're going to set a goal for 3 months, that's not sustainable. You're going to look at it for like in the long term. And when you're looking at it in the long term, you're going to set your goals accordingly. In the first 3 months of starting to learn how to make money online, what do I hope to achieve? In the next 6 months, in the first 6 months of starting to make money online, what do I hope to achieve? In the first 1 year of this journey, what do I hope to achieve? In the first 2 years of this journey, how do I hope to achieve these things, and how do I scale up this business in order to make the maximum things out of it. The next thing I want you to learn as a secret to making money online as a freelancer is to learn a high income skill. I keep saying it, like, this channel is devoted to people who are interested in learning high income skills they need to succeed in this online business. So if you're not interested in learning high income skills, I'm sorry, but you may find it a little difficult because you may end up jumping from one place to the other without having a base. Now, there are lots and lots of skills out there, and in my last video I talked about freelancing skills from home. In that video I listed a lot of freelancing skills that you can learn from the comfort of your home and be able to change your finances within the next 6 months. So I'm going to link that video right up here, and I'm also going to put it in the description box below so you can go ahead and watch it. The next secret I want you to learn in order to help yourself make money online is to decide the services you want to offer. A lot of people just learn a skill, and then at the end of the day they're like, what am I going to do with this skill? What services can I offer? How can I maximize this skill? Because it's not only important to learn skills, it's also very important that you know exactly what services you're going to offer. If you're going to be a virtual assistant, of course, I made a video about how to become a virtual assistant. I'm going to link that video right down here in the description box so you can go ahead and watch it. So a lot of people have learned this skill, like, what services am I going to offer? If you're a graphic designer, are you going to focus on designing logos for people? Are you going to focus entirely on branding for people? Like, what services are you going to offer to these people that will earn you the maximum amount of money? As easy as it sounds, a lot of people do not know, like, the exact services they need to offer in order to start making money with the actual skill they've learned. And this is why they end up jumping from one skill to the other. They learn this, they learn that, they learn this, they learn this, because at the end of the day, they don't know how to monetize this skill. What services are they going to offer? What services will be very appropriate for this skill that I've learned? That is also a very important secret that a lot of people do not know. You need to decide, what are the skills? What are my area of specialization in these skills that I've learned? What are the services that I'm going to offer that will be able to bring all the money I need to me? Of course, you need money. Who doesn't? The next secret I want you to learn, if you want to know how to start making money online as a freelancer, is to identify your clients. Not everybody is your client, okay? You're going to decide, what kind of clients am I going to focus on? Am I going to go for the low ticket clients? Am I going to look for the high ticket clients? And for most people, going for the low ticket clients who don't even know what they want is like a disadvantage, because at the end of the day, you may have like 10 low ticket clients who are paying you for like $50 every month, and at the end of the day you end up making like, you know, $500 every month. But someone who is going for a high ticket client is getting paid $1,000 per client. That's like a whole lot of difference out there. So you need to determine, like, you need to identify your client base. Do you want to go for the low ticket clients, or do you want to focus on high ticket clients? Of course, it's very easier to get low ticket clients than it is to get a high ticket client. You know what I'm saying? So, but if you are really interested in getting the high ticket clients, you need to map out your goals on how to get these clients to work with you. Like, that's a secret that you need to know if you want to learn how to start making money online as a freelancer. The next secret you want to learn if you're trying to make more money as a freelancer is to set up your pricing structures. Your pricing structures has a lot to do with how much you earn every month as a freelancer. Now remember that once you become a freelancer, you no longer have anybody paying you monthly salary that you are expecting every month. Now it depends on you to make the best out of it and ensure that every month you have the necessary amount of clients you need to pay you the amount you need to sustain yourself for that month. So you are really going to take your time to determine your pricing structures. Are you going to charge per hourly basis, or are you going to charge per month? For most people, charging per month is the ideal thing for them to do. You need to figure this out if you're going to become a freelancer. For me, most of the time, I like charging my clients hourly because it gives me the flexibility I need to know that I am not tied to this client. I'm working every hour for them for the month. So I have like the number of hours I'm working with these clients, and I'm charging you per hour. If I decide I'm working 20 hours with you every month, I'm sure that it is 20 hours, and when that 20 hours is done, I am sure that it's ended. Compared to when I charge them monthly, it makes it more difficult to determine the number of hours you're working for these clients. And most of these clients that you pay you monthly will try to take advantage of it, because they know that there is no defined number of hours you're working with them every month. So if you have like a defined hours you're working with every client every month, that makes it easier to track your progress and track the number of clients you are able to work with every month. The next secret you want to learn if you want to start making money online as a freelancer is to create your freelancing portfolio. I cannot emphasize this enough. You need a portfolio. If you're a graphic designer, if you're a content writer, if you're a social media manager, you need a portfolio. And a lot of people, a lot of clients, they cannot hire you if you don't have a freelancing portfolio. And in my last video, I talked about how you can create your freelancing portfolio from beginning to the end. I'm going to link that video in the description box below, and maybe put it on the screen also for you to go ahead and watch it and see how you can create a freelancing portfolio for yourself. Okay. The next secret to making money online as a freelancer is to become visible. If you're hiding somewhere under the rock, nobody is going to see you. Hello? Nobody is going to see you. Like, this is the era of social media. If you have something you're selling and you're hiding in your house, hello, nobody is going to see that product. Like, if you have a skill that you're selling, the next thing I want you to do is to become visible. And the way to become visible is either to join a freelancing website where you are able to showcase your freelancing talents or your freelancing skills and get clients to see you and hire you, or to become active on social media. You can choose any of the social media platforms, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, or any of the social media platforms at all, and become visible there. What is that skill you've got? Start creating content about that skill. Start talking about it. Start talking about your skills, your expertise. This will enable potential clients to see you and hire you, right? If I'm not on this YouTube channel, you may not know who I am, but because I'm visible on this channel, you know that my name is Teresa. And if you need to talk about freelancing, you know that you need to come to me to talk about it. That is what it means to get visible. Now, go ahead and get visible. Stop hiding. Stop hiding your skill. Get visible and get hired. The next secret I want you to do is to find clients. It's just the same thing as getting visible, right? It's closely related to getting visible, but you have to go out there and find your clients. Most of the time, you don't need to sit back and then wait for clients to find you. You go out there and look for clients. And how do you look for these clients? You get on social media, you get on freelancing website, you start sending proposals, you start talking about your skills, you start communicating with people, you start networking, right? That is almost the same thing as getting visible. Go out there and find your client. Send emails if you have to. Send cold DMs if you have to. Talk to people, network with people, relate with people, and find your clients. The next secret is to think about how to scale your business for the long time. I see a lot of people out here, especially on YouTube or especially on other platforms, looking for how to make money online. The only thing they are thinking about is how to make $50 one time, and they are cool. No. If you want to grow in this business as a freelancer, you need to learn how to scale your business. When I started freelancing, I was merely earning like $100 every month. I thought about the long term. Like, I'm looking forward in the next 2 years, in the next 3 years. Will I still be comfortable enough earning $100 every month? Of course not. So I thought about how to scale this business, how to go out there and start looking for clients, how to go out there and find more clients, right? And at the end of the day, you may find out that if you thought about how to scale your business and you scale it properly, you're going to find out that you may move from $100 every month to like $1,000 every month. It's possible. The next secret to making money as a freelancer is to rinse and repeat. Work on your mindset, map out your goals, learn high income skills, decide what services to offer, rinse these things, and repeat all these steps. Like, improve on your skills, continue changing your mind skills, continue deciding and continue revamping your offer, continue to decide the services to offer, continue to improve on your skills. Do all these things and make sure you are repeating. Like, consistency leads to success. If you're going to become a content writer and you're going to write only one article for one client and tomorrow you're out of business, that's not how it works. You need to keep repeating. You need to make sure that, you also need to make sure that what you're repeating works. Actually, you need to repeat what is working for you. If Upwork is working for you in getting clients, you need to be putting more effort and repeating the exact same thing you're doing on Upwork to get more clients. This is how you find success in this online business. And my name is Teresa and I'm your freelancing coach. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you share this video with your family and friends who are interested in changing their finances this year.